A mom films her 5-year-old melting down in the middle of Target. She doesn't comfort him. She just stands there while he screams, overwhelmed and alone. The video reaches 11 million views. Half the internet calls her a strong parent. The other half says she's damaging her child's emotional wiring. This is FAFO parenting, and psychologists are quietly panicking about what comes next. FAFO means F around and find out. Online, it's the new slogan for letting kids deal with the consequences of their choices. No rescuing, no soothing, no negotiation, just consequences. And this trend exploded this year. Millions of parents are posting their FAFO moments. Millions of strangers are judging them. Supporters say FAFO builds resilience. If a kid refuses a jacket, let them feel cold. If they drop a toy after being warned, let it break. Natural consequences. Simple cause and effect. And yes, sometimes it works beautifully. But there's a darker side, a side the viral clips never show. Because consequences alone don't teach emotional skills. Children's brains need something far more important: co-regulation. Co-regulation means a child learns to calm down with the help of a calm adult. Not by being rescued, not by being rewarded, just by knowing someone is there. When a child is overwhelmed, scared, or melting down, and the parent ignores them for the camera, the brain doesn't learn resilience. It learns abandonment. Repeated moments like that create a message. You're alone when you feel big emotions. And that message reshapes a child's emotional world. There is a difference between a natural consequence and emotional neglect. Natural consequences teach responsibility. Neglect teaches shame. The internet loves the phrase raising sociopaths. The truth is more complicated. FAFO alone can't create sociopathy. But constant emotional neglect, public humiliation, and parenting for an audience can absolutely increase antisocial traits. More emotional numbness, more aggression, less empathy, less trust. And that is the part psychologists worry about. 2 examples show this perfectly. Example 1. A kid refuses a jacket. Parent says, "Your choice." The kid gets cold, learns, and nothing harmful happens. Healthy FAFO. Example 2. A kid melts down in a grocery store. Parent films it, posts it, and walks away. Millions watch. Some mock the child. The child learns humiliation, not responsibility. Same idea, opposite effect, because the context changed. So what do experts recommend? Be present during intense emotions. Hold the boundary, but stay emotionally available. Use natural consequences only when the child is calm enough to learn. Never post a child's worst moments online. Not for strangers, not for applause. Always repair afterward. Reconnect. Explain. Make the child feel safe again. This moment is where real learning happens. Parents who choose FAFO aren't bad. Most are exhausted. Many feel gentle parenting didn't work. Many just want structure and peace. But parenting isn't choosing between soft or strict. It's boundaries with warmth, consequences with connection, strength with compassion. If your child learns the lesson and still feels safe with you, you're doing it right. If they seem afraid or shut down or stop coming to you for comfort, that's a sign something needs to change. FAFO isn't good or bad. It's a tool. You can build with it or break with it. If you want resilient children, children who face life with courage, children who trust you even when they mess up, then consequences alone will never be enough. They need connection. They need repair. They need to know that you are the safest place in their world. Trends fade. Childhood doesn't. So the next time your kid F's around, before you make them find out, ask yourself, do I want to teach them fear, or do I want to teach them trust? Because the strongest kids are not the ones who fear consequences. They are the ones who know they never face those consequences alone. What do you think? Is FAFO helpful, or is social media taking it too far? I'd love to hear your thoughts.